Okay, first I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch this video. My name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions, and the point of the video was to show you how to increase the value of your company and your exposure with Google. Now you need content, backlinks, and citations. We have here your website that I pulled up that I was looking at. Now, of course, you understand every time you type something here into the search bar, those are considered keywords. And Google uses these words to find the best website that best fits the search criteria. Search engine optimization, SEO. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to these keywords and then categorizes these websites based on their content and their keywords. This is how you establish rank. You want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords needed. So I typed in tree service Raleigh. You are a tree service out of Raleigh, but I did not see you on the first page. So I'll explain a little bit here. First, we understand that this is the map section. It's important to be seen in the maps. Ranking for the map section is based on citations, name, address, and phone number, and what directly reflects your Google business profile. It directly connects to your business, and that's what ranks you in the map. A lot of people come to the map for services near them, gas station, restaurant, tree service near me. This is how you rank in the maps. Anything under the map is considered an organic search with your content and your backlinks and your keywords placing you in this section below the map. So I figured I'd show you a little bit about how that works. I mean, there's Yelp, that's an advertisement. This is Tree Services, Raleigh. This is Expertise. It's another advertisement. Add. So how do you get to the first page of Google? So I have Everett Tree Service here, and I also have you guys. So I have Everett Tree Service, and I have you. Now, what I can do is I can open up this tool that I have. It's called Ahrefs, and I can look behind the scenes of what's going on with your website. I can see how many backlinks you have and the quality of them. A backlink is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website. Google uses this to build trust in your business. It creates popularity. It helps rank. I can see the domains or citations that you're connected to, and I can also see the keywords that you're using and what kind of traffic you get per month from your keywords. I can look at Everett's site, and I can see why he's on the first page. He has 160 links, 192 keywords, bringing in 528 views or looks at per month. So to get an idea of what's going on here, you want to check out backlinks. You want a strong domain rank, and you want to see what kind of traffic is coming through there per month. This is important. Not all domains are the same. Not all backlinks are the same. Reference from an ice cream shop won't carry as much weight and power as another reference from something that is pertaining to your business or your service. Let's see what else. Let's take a look over here. Let's see what you're doing. We got 18 backlinks for you. We can take a look at this. We can see what kind of traffic that's moving through. This is good. This one here isn't doing so much for you. It's not very strong. Little traffic. 10. A little stronger. That's a little insight with that. And then when we want to take a look and understand the keywords play a big part when it comes into search. When you're typing in search engine optimization, SEO. So this is the volume that these search words bring per month. So this is the exposure on average per month that people are looking at it. Tree service Raleigh, Raleigh tree service, services, tree removal. As you can see as we go down the list, what generates tree removal companies 1,000 times a month. So these keywords play a major role in how your exposure is and how you are seen on Google. We can take a look briefly and see what you got going on over here for you. Come on, internet. He just has more. and he has more area covered. So with that being said, once you have content, backlinks, citations, your SEO, once all this ties together and you start to outrank and Google can start to put trust in your business, it will gradually rank you and move you up onto the first page. That's why he's there and you are not. That's how the process works. And so I'm hoping that you could find a little bit of a better understanding how that works and how you move along the pages of Google. It's important to have a well-built site. It's important to have the right citations and backlinks, content, keywords. It can bring a lot of value, a lot of exposure, a lot more business, and of course, that brings revenue. So if you find yourself wanting some more information, we could talk. I could do some research and find out exactly what would be realistic for you and your business or what your goals are. But in the meantime, I wanted to take the time to show you this. Thank you for watching and have a great day.